Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make these fruit cats, and this was requested by Emma Smith, who asked to do fruit themed animals, and this will be my first installment of my REQUESTorials series. And I'm using this cat head mold that I got from Miniature Sweets, and I'll link their shop in the description box below. So first I'm going to do the orange cat, so I place some orange clay into the cat head mold, and I cut off the excess. Then using my dotting tool, I just dotted a lot of holes all around the orange. Then I put a little green plus sign for kind of like the little core stub of the orange. And I gave it dot eyes and a line smile. Next, for the watermelon cat, I put some pink clay in the cat mold. And I cut it around 2/3 of the way down. Then I cut a strip out of some white translucent clay that I fit into the cat mold as well. And I attach a strip onto the pink part of the cat head. And molding some green clay into the cat mold as well, I cut a really thin slice of the bottom and I attached that to the bottom of my cat head. And I gave it some dot eyes and a line smile. For the pineapple, I took the dull side of my blade and I cut it diagonally so it has a nice square pattern. Then I attached some 3 pointy green triangles on top for like the spiky leaf part of the pineapple. And I gave it some dot eyes and a line smile as well. For the apple cat, I'm going to make a leaf, so I flanned a teardrop shape of green clay and I made some etch marks with my blade. Then on top of a red cat head, I added a little brown triangle for the stem. And I add the little leaf to where the brown part and the red part of the cat touch. And I gave it some dot eyes and a line smile again. And this has got to be my favorite one. We're gonna make the banana cat. So I'm flattening out some yellow clay along with some white translucent, and I'm stacking them on top of each other. And I'm gonna cut them out into isosceles triangle shapes. Then on some white clay, I'm gonna add the 2 little banana peels together. And I'm gonna slowly bend it outward. And I'm adding a little brown triangle to where the banana peels meet and just kind of hide it. And I'm giving it some dot eyes and a line smile. And once you bake according to instructions, here are the final products, and these are the fruit cats. And there are definitely other fruits that I want to try making. So let me know in the comment section below what kind of fruit cats I should make next. Also, this is a request tutorial, so it's a requested tutorial. So whatever you request in this video may be featured on my next requested tutorial, because I may decide to make it if I really like the idea. So please let me know in the comment section below on what other videos or what other tutorials you would like to see from me in the future. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed.